Hi traders, it's Nathan here from TradeView and welcome to episode 219 of the Trading Talk series. In today's episode, I've built a model that is designed to trade with the trend. The model is designed to use a number of indicators to filter the trades that we take. We ensure that when we take a trade, it has a high probability of success by getting out of the trade when the market is in an overbought or oversold position. If you would like to get access to the full episode and 218 other episodes just like it, now is the time to get access to the Trading Talk series. A new video is released every week and new ideas and concepts that you can incorporate into your trading right away. We are only a few weeks away from the Algo trading conference for 2021. And if you haven't attended our conference before, I can assure you it's an experience like no other. Take up the opportunity to learn from the likes of Stefano Serafini, a world trading champion, Trevor Neal, who was the head technical analyst for Bloomberg, and lastly, the godfather of algo trading, Perry Kaufman. Learn from some of the world's very best and start to use some of the concepts and systems that they use in their own trading. I hope you enjoy this week's episode of the Trading Talk series, and as always, all the best with your trading.